Warning, this is not a drill, this is not a test. The Canadian and the American governments have released a civil warning about a security threat. There has been a mass outbreak of a virus known as MAO, and if it is found on your computer, your only course of action is to destroy said piece of hardware or risk physical harm. The virus infects your computer via being inside of your web browser for a prolonged period of time, even if it is not directly shown towards the individual who is browsing the site. It will still infect your computer and, sorry on the Zoom here to hear your own definitely. If you are experiencing frequent headaches, bleeding from the eyes or mouth, or repeating night terrors, it is highly likely that you have been infected by the virus. The virus will automatically shut down the device's cooling system, then it will increase the heat of the device to around 220 degrees Fahrenheit. This could cause the battery in the device to rupture, which can in the worst of cases light the device on fire. Whilst the virus can pose a threat if infected on your computer if you are to encounter, it should pose minimal physical threat toward you. No physical threat toward you. No physical threat toward you. No physical threat toward you.